The RC's maneuverability is pretty quick. It's easy to maneuver around the warehouse. It's small and compact.
My name is Teresa Baugh, Distribution Center Manager for Lodge Manufacturing in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. We produce and manufacture cast iron cookware. We currently use the RC series to load and unload trailers coming in and out of the facility. We also use the RC series to do replenishment as well as put away functions in our wider aisles. Because our warehouse is so new and our floors are still in pristine condition, we appreciate the FlexRide system mostly right now while the drivers are unloading and loading trucks.
Whenever you're riding the RC, it helps if you bump across something that it gives somewhat, unlike any other standard forklift. The RC's maneuverability is pretty quick. It's easy to maneuver around the warehouse. It's small and compact.
The stand-up, it's quick for our operators to jump on and jump off, so it's nice that they can just jump on and go. And maneuverability is great because it can operate in a tight space when needed.
I feel like it's a lot easier to get in and out. It's not as wide as most forklifts, so it makes it a little bit easier to get in and out tight spots.